Hey Fantastic You, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. We are painting today. You can see all the painting supplies out. And we're gonna try and get some cloud pearl kind of effect going on. So we're working on a 12-inch squared canvas. Color-wise, everything is Liquitex except for the pink and the white. So we've got turquoise blue, which has been lightened a little bit with titanium white, Dioxozine purple, Ivory black, Phthalocyanine blue. This is Artist Loft titanium white, and then hopefully the pink will give us our pearls, and that is Decoart pink Tourmaline, if I'm saying that right. So, as I said, we're going to do a dirty pour. So we're just going to pour everything in. I've got about 70 grams of each color mixed with my pouring medium. 1 part paint to 1.5 parts pouring medium. Pouring medium is 40% Elmer's glue wall and 60% Elmer's glue wall, 40% water. So altogether I've got about 420 odd grams of paint. So I'm going to put the Dioxozine purple in next. So this is probably going to be a very dark painting. Kind of what I'm hoping to get with the pink. I think will look nice with the darker, richer colors. Okay, Ivory black. That's enough of the Ivory black. Our blue. Really like this blue. Our white. Mix that one around a bit more. And then our Decoart pink. A lot of it staying on top. Thought I made this one thin enough, but maybe not. Okay, I'm just going to do a straight pour. Get that a bit more centered, and I might move around a little bit because I definitely don't want to lose all this pink. You can see I have more than enough paint. Probably way too much paint, but it's hard sometimes to figure out how much you need. Okay. So I'm just trying to rub the paints against each other. Probably put in way too much pink. Okay, let's go over our corners. I'm just going to quickly go over the bottom right for me corner. Okay, let's go over this corner at the top, your bottom. So lots of paint on here. And we'll go over this back corner. I know it's kind of hard for you to see. Don't know if you could hear it, but my cat is crying. He wants in so bad. Okay, I'm gonna get a little bit more off of my bottom right. So your top left. Just centering our ring a bit more. So yeah, there's a bit more off there. Losing all of my pink, but hopefully it will come up in some cells. I just think it's a little bit too much pink on that corner. There. Definitely got a nice pattern on there. I'm really liking this. I don't know if I'm gonna torch now. Now, the question is, do I get a little bit more off there? Not sure. Let me wipe my hands real quick. See how much paint we have left on here. I'm gonna get a little bit of it off. There, let's bring it back. So pretty. So pretty. Now the question is, do I torch? I wanted pearls, but now I'm not sure if I want pearls. Because we do have a neat effect that's kind of happening there. It's kind of cloudy. I don't know how well the camera's picking it up. But we're going to do a quick little torch for sure, because we definitely have some bubbles that need to get popped. So there, we'll do that much. We might get a little bit of pink that pops up. There is, I think that's a bubble right there, or unmixed paint. That one was a bubble. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna pause you because I can see we got some cells coming through, and I'll bring you back 15-20 minutes from now, and we'll just see if we have a bit more pink showing or not. Okay, sound like a plan? Okay, it's been about 15-20 minutes or so. Not a lot has changed, so we have more of the cloudy effect on the bottom half versus really getting any cells, any pearls. But I'm okay with that because I really like how it looks. Very, very happy with this one. So thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.